Do your production plans reflect what's actually happening on your shop floor? How quickly can you respond to changes in jobs, labour, materials and equipment? Is managing production plans on Excel proving time-consuming and prone to errors? Gain a holistic view of production with Access Orchestrate. Our advanced planning and scheduling software delivers an agile, scalable production planning process for your business. It ensures that you use every machine, employee, and resource to its full capacity, with one central visual production plan which includes all tasks, dependencies, and constraints. You also gain access to accurate, detailed data, helping you make better informed decisions faster. Access Orchestrate helped Martin's Rubber Company boost customer satisfaction by achieving over 90% on time in full against a target of 80%. Let's explore Access Orchestrate. Day-to-day scheduling. With Access Orchestrate, you have one clear real-time production schedule for everyone to follow, showing all tasks required to complete a job. Intuitive drag-and-drop Gantt chart functionality puts your planners in control. You can create and update schedules easily and quickly. As a true multi-user system, you can have multiple planners, viewers, and supervisors updating the plan at the same time. Capacity planning. With our software, you can forward load the work and determine what labour, materials, and equipment you require. You can analyse true capacity in detail and establish where your bottlenecks are and areas where resource will be over or underutilised. What if analysis? Access Orchestrate allows you to create different production scenarios based on changing variables such as labour. This helps you understand the impact of any changes and supports decisions on the best course of action to take. Once a change has been decided, you can quickly and easily update your schedule. Real-time insights. Access Orchestrate offers comprehensive management reports based on real-time performance. And with our cloud-based solution, you and your teams can access standard KPI dashboards and create bespoke views. Benefits. With our advanced planning and scheduling software, you gain an accurate and detailed view of production, supporting overall operation excellence and boosting your competitive edge. Increase capacity while minimizing the impact on overheads. Improve materials, equipment, and labor utilization. Reduce work in progress downtime. Improve customer satisfaction with more accurate lead times. Improve communication between teams. Integrations. Access Orchestrate is available as a standalone solution, or it can integrate with any existing ERP system. Setting you up for success. We know that implementing new software can be daunting, so our standard implementation methodology is designed to support you every step of the way, giving you value from your investment as quickly and as fully as possible. Access Orchestrate supports hundreds of manufacturers, from UK&I SMBs to global multi-site manufacturers, helping them make sure the right people see the right things at the right time. Contact our team of manufacturing software experts and start your journey with us today.